How to turn on and turn off timer on your Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off and turn off timer on your Snapchat. So let us begin. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, when you want to turn on your timer on your Snap, all you need to do is just tap on this drop down icon, and after you do that you will see the timers option there. Tap on timer and you will get to place your timer. You can even choose the length of this timer. As you can see, previously there was no feature for this long timers, but now it goes up to 2 minutes. So you can place your timer as long as you'd like and then set the timer and start recording the video. So yeah, that is basically how you set the timer on Snapchat. Now to turn this off, simply click on the timer again and it will get turned off. And it's that simple, guys. And that is how you turn on and turn off timer on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.